This 1948 Packard Woody Wagon is a rare and collectible piece of Americana wearing an old restoration. As you can see, it presents pretty well from about 10-15 feet away, but it does need some attention to the paint and chrome. And the wood is okay overall, I would say, for the most part. Car is not currently running. It's been sitting for a while in storage, so it's going to need some mechanical recommissioning as well. Just needs to be gone over again. It's solid, it's all there, it's intact. The wood is pretty good. It's mainly just some flaws in the paint and the chrome that are more the issue. Really a cool car.